As the newest internet service innovation from Shenandoah Valley-born Shentel, we here at Glo Fiber are beyond excited to be expanding to new neighborhoods every day. In order to bring you unrivaled internet speeds and value, we first spend a lot of time developing a construction plan and working with local authorities. Shentel works directly with each local government to set agreements and expectations to help alleviate concerns and to address issues that may arise. Here's what to expect through the construction phase before we glow up your neighborhood. A few weeks before construction, we hang a notification card on all the front doors in the construction zone, with a second card reminder a few days before we begin. These cards list construction information, as well as a website with more details and a phone number to contact us if any issues come up. Before construction starts, we contact 811 to mark the existing public utilities, which will potentially create markings through your property and on the streets. Once construction begins, expect to see Shentel, Glo Fiber, or contractor trucks on or around your street, as well as signs and a fiber construction team working in the area. How the fiber passes your home will depend on existing utility networks and easements. Some lines are hung on existing utility poles, while others will require digging for underground placement. While we're in your neighborhood, we work hard to create a safe construction zone. That's why you will see fiber construction team members putting up fencing, cones, and conducting traffic control as needed. We realize this is probably an inconvenience, but we do our best to minimize noise and disruptions. We will restore all impacted areas and return excavated areas to a fully stabilized condition once we are done. All the construction for our network is done in public right-of-ways or following existing utility routes and easements, which are often adjacent to your private property. Utility easements can extend farther than expected into your property. So even though it may look like we are trespassing, we are taking great care to only be where the public right-of-way or easement has allowed us. If you are concerned about existing landscaping near a road or in a utility easement right-of-way, feel free to reach out to our team ahead of time regarding our construction plans. Also, if your pets are uncomfortable with construction equipment, noises, or strangers around your property, please consider keeping them inside during the construction process. If you have any private underground lines, such as an invisible dog fence, power lines, a sprinkler system, alarm cables, or other types, please be advised that these private underground lines are unable to be located by the 811 utility marking program. You will need to mark those lines to avoid any damage to those facilities. If you are unsure where these private lines are located, please contact Shentel prior to the start of our construction. Glo Fiber and Shentel construction teams are practicing safety measures in response to the health situation in our area. For the most up-to-date information, please visit our website. And finally, if you notice anything out of place after we leave, please don't hesitate to reach out and give us a chance to make it right. To learn more about our construction process and fiber optic services, visit glofiber.com.